This is Angela from Angela Wolf Video here with some quick tips on how to improve your video recording on Zoom. Now, just because a lot of my clients had to cancel their shoots due to COVID doesn't mean they don't still need those videos. And most of my corporate clients have been turning to Zoom to make them and been sending the files to me to edit the videos for them. So I thought I'd make a quick video on the right settings you need on Zoom to get the best quality videos considering the circumstances. So first, go into your video settings, click Enable HD. Often this is defaulted as off because Zoom wants to save on their bandwidth, but make sure not only you, but all of your participants in your Zoom video have HD enabled for their video quality. Second, we're going to go into the recording settings. There are two settings on here I really need you to click. First one says record separate audio for each participant. Now that's important because giving me the most amount of audio to work with ends up getting the best audio for each individual person. Otherwise, you're going to just get one audio file that's kind of a mash of kind of just all the audio together. It's not going to sound great. So make sure you click that. And the last one I need you to click is optimize for third-party video editor. That's me. So this gives me a really nice, easy video file to work with that I can kind of do the most with in my video editing software and give you the best looking video as I can. So that is my tip for today to try and optimize the videos that we can do right now during the shutdown. Afterwards, of course, as always, I recommend going to your video professional to get professional videos made. But for right now, I think everyone can understandably use Zoom and the Zoom quality for the videos in the time being.